people in poverty like slow.
Man, I say people them slow, yo,
When in
Jano.
poverty, bro, slow, bro. Them slow, dog. The people them like their mind so low.
So what's up, people? You know it's a boy Nanda represent for Nanda Review channel. Now I'm come across a little clip with Switzerland, you know Switzerland out in our media for various things. Now in recently we see him in our media with some controversy of him wearing a crop top. Now my take on that is that a man wearing a crop top as an influencer, I wonder what kind of influence you're trying to send on youths. What kind of influence as a man you're trying to send on youth, and then you're gonna justify it as say him say what him, if you got Miami you see and you got a strip club them you see a whole heap of man a wear crop top and whatever. You wearing a crop top, bro, is sending a bad signal to the youth of the next generation or this generation, I should say, that are growing up. You as a big influencer, people are look up to you, and then you go and do all of them something and not justify it. Well, nothing is wrong with making skits and making comedy, entertainment for people. Nothing is wrong, but you justifying it saying that yeah, people, man, are weird out there. You know, we have a culture, have a Jamaican culture. Certain things we don't indulge in. And now, see you here, I come do something. Now, people, I come for show. I know a lot of want to see clips, but me I go and play it out because I never really fully watch it. I really see what him really I say, but we are jump into it and see what him I say.
About the crop top. Anywhere you're going and find right now, anywhere you're going and find in I go down Miami right now in a one strip club. Man, I wanna fish, man, it looks like the crop top is just an image.
So it's clear to say, you saying that it's just an image. So you are okay to follow and follow every wrong image where you see out there. Those are the kind of men that women really shouldn't look to, build something with, because you are not a leader, you're a follower. You go around and following people, seeing other people. You know, we live in a world where men identify themselves as women and women identify themselves as men. We live in a strange world now where people are identifying themselves as the wrong gender, and you're saying that other man out there wear crop top or whatever, and yeah, indulge in it and I fall like that. No make no sense, bro. Come on, me expect better from you, Swiss as an influencer, as a person where we see come up from being a comedian to whatever you are now. It's wrong of you to come to justify something saying that people out there are weird or whatever. You should be able to show a better influence to people. What kind of Jamaica we live in a way? We might understand say a foreign you live, so it's like you living in America, you're indulging in all sort of foreign thing, tradition and everything. Come on, man. We don't feel do better than that as social media influencer. It don't make no sense. We don't do no make no sense. Me have a daughter now, and others out there have son and daughter and all of them sitting and see uno as influencer. Where the people them look on TikTok and follow TikTok and watch and get a good time with uno entertaining them. Now if you see uno come do them thing and make it be like it's the norm, it makes no sense, bro. Makes no sense.
You see me showing you, bro? It's just an image, bro. Jamaican people, bro, just slow. I know also the people in poverty. Should them
No, that's where you are wrong, bro. That's where you are wrong. You're saying that people are slow because they're calling you out for your wrongs. That's where you are totally wrong. I don't know how people keep supporting people like him and others out there where they must speak down upon poor people. Are the same poor people them will have the 9 to 5 and I make them hard earning money. I come on social media, I support uno, I give uno and I do all of it and I saw uno man like you I repay people, bro. I saw man like you I repay the hard working poor people them. A man like you see Switzerland, come on, man. Come on, man. You see when uno lack intelligent and uno lack dignity and morals, This is the things you come out and do and talk and make a big embarrassment of yourself. Now me shall see where people really are going to support people like them here further on in our life. Cause I wanna see them one, I support them, and you see how them a come out and attack against you and say, oh, a poor people know this and poor. When people are stand up with dignity and maturity, that's the only low ball them can use and say a poor people are this, a poor people are that. Makes no sense.
The people in poverty like slow.
Man, I say people them slow, yo,
When
John.
poverty, bro, slow, bro. Them slow, dog. The people them like their mind so locked in one basket. You know?
Bro, you see, this is the thing I talk about. People like them, we should have cancel culture for because they are the ones who are slow mentally. They are the ones who follow and don't lead. Every little thing them see them follow. They don't try to be a leader. They don't try to shape a different future for the kids to come and the kids that are here. They're always trying to create a narrative, an agenda to, push forward. Knowing that you are influencers, guys out there, the influencers, man and woman, them out there, influence good things for the youths. And you have to understand the people out there watch uno yo. Uno now understand that the people really out there are take uno in and I watch uno and I entertain them, but yet still uno come out and I shape certain narrative and I bring and push an agenda for make kids feel like say it's right to do. Woman wear crop top, man no wear crop top, bro. Man no wear crop, and that crop top you're in a video, that's a lower ball, brother. That crop top is so weird. As me said, nothing is wrong to do skits and whatever, but it's the limit that you push to do certain skits. The limit, them not have no limit. Them do any and everything for money. You know what's that called? No moral, no dignity.
But this is their mind, bro. Their mind now matches box.
Mm-hmm.
Their mind, anything what they make people say them follow.
Mm-hmm.
Them just small minded, bro. And I never make small minded people try to tell no.
Manipulating. You can't be a manipulator, bro, and doing the wrong thing. If you're trying to push some positive message talking about people mind small, let it be something different, but not this, bro. Not this. Saying poor people mind small and people in a poverty mind small and their mind matches box. You saying that because of this situation is totally wrong, bro. Say that for a different thing. Say that for a different thing, whether for elevating a life or whatever, but not justifying something saying that you wearing a crop top and people calling you out for it is that way small minded. No, bro, it's no. We do have dignity. We have morals and dignity. Certain thing, you should just admit it, bro. Admit it, say you're wrong for whatever you do. Just admit it, bro, and not just come out and bash people, say people small minded and that, and a poor people this and a poor people that. No, just admit it, brother.
We're filled with their life. The man them say me a fish. Show me about the crop top.
No, that's the end of the video. I have to say, brother, just accept it. Just accept it, bro. It's either you're going to say, apologize for the people them way. Yeah, speak down and say, oh, poor people and people in a poverty. A lot of us are in poverty and a lot of us are not doing what you're doing, bro. A lot of us are in poverty and we're not doing what you're doing, brother. You're just, you in the other hand, you are the one that's small-minded. That's clearly it, brother. You're a man, a big influencer on social media. Do the right thing, brother. Do the right thing. Some agenda wanna push, make no sense. Just push the envelope, just because you want money. Bridging, come on, man. Have to have some dignity and some morals in yourself, bridging. Have some morals. And remember, say, kids are watch uno. Kids are watch uno. No, it's a boy, Nando again. And I'm out. Represent. Tell me one thing. about all of this we are going on social media. Cause me not like it. Me not like it. Peace. I'm out.